Hey everybody, let me try in this video to implement simple find age app. The application is really straightforward. Someone enters his date of birth and the application will tell him, hey, your age is this many of years. So yes, to get started, I just open a new file, Python, I name it find age, okay? Okay, so when you start writing a program, think about what's the input and what's the output and what you want to process. So the input is date of birth. So think about you have DOB, this is date of birth. So let me suppose the input as a beginner is 1990. Okay, what the process you want to do it? You want to find the age. So you say, okay, age. How you find the age? The age will be, how you find age for everyone from his date of birth? For sure, the current year, for example, 2017 minus the date of birth. You could find the age. Now you want to print it. You say, okay, print, okay, your age, for example, is, then you do the bracket, then you say, okay, dot format, and you want to give it age as input. Now, if you just click right and run it, what you will see? Your age 27, that's right, because he's 1990. If he is 2005, how old he is will be 12 years. So yes, this is the programming. You have to think, what's the input? What's the output? When you say what the input for the problem, because he said date of birth, so the date of birth should be the input. What's the output? The age. So you have to think what you have to print. What the process? This is what you want to do it. So make sure when you write any program, think about what's the input, what's the output, and how you process it. The program runs step by step. This is step, then this is step, then this is step. But I think this application is not flexible enough. First problem, you see it whenever you want to rerun the app, whenever you want to change the age, you have to rerun the app. So think about you deliver this application for someone. So how this one will understand he have to change in this part. You have to see screen, and in the screen you could enter his age. So better than hard code the age, you make it input. When we say input, that means we will ask user enter his age from the screen. So you say enter your DOB. Is that right? Now think about rerun the app again. See, the application asks him enter your date of birth. So you say 1990. Enter, he give you, hey, there is error. Why this error happen? This error happen because here is input and the input is string. And when you take this one as string, you save it in this variable. This variable will consider date of birth as string. While here you want to do subtract operation between character, integer and string. That cannot be happen. So you need to change this one to string. So how you change it to string? Just write integer, open a bracket, and close a bracket. This is basically how you take string and you change it to integer. Rerun the app again. Enter 1990. He say your age 27. See basically how you fix this problem? This is just some changing data type. We take string, we change it to the integer. But still there is a problem. Think about this application goes for someone who wants to use it 2018. You have to go to the code and update this number. So we should not use number like hard coding. This is not right way in programming. You have to take the current year from the PC. So how I could take the current year from the PC? To take current year, I have to use specific library that already shipped with Python. So to use library shipped in Python, I have to do import for that library. So make sure you write import, then you say data time. So data time is specific library that shipped with Python allow you to access the data time in your PC. That's great. Now let me here try to find the age from the data time or the year. You say current year, this year. So how you find the current year? Okay, it's already shipped. So I say data time dot data time dot now. You take the current now, then you say dot year. Just taking the current year, and I'm taking the current year. Instead using the hard coding, I give it the current year. Now that we rerun it again, I'll write 1990. I give you 27. Why? Because this line of code was able to go to our PC and take the current time from the PC. So next year you will not need to do any update in this code. Just rerun it. He will know the year is 2018. He will get it from here. He will subtract two operation and pop, you done. Did you see how we started, how we did some update until we get what we want? This is the programming. Here we done, and thank you for watching.